What is up, guys? I'm finally back with a new video. It's been months. I've been so busy. I got married, I went on my honeymoon, and I'm starting school again. But it's been a while and I'm so excited to be back and doing a super fun unboxing of the Too Faced Tutti Frutti collection, which I was so excited for. So we're just gonna dive right in because this box is just bursting at the seams with goodies. So here we go. A couple of these I actually got a couple days ago and I've been playing with. The first one is this one right here, the Fresh Glow Setting Spray. This is Watermelon Dew and it smells like watermelons, and you can hear it has a shaker in there because this has kind of like a glow mist element to it. This I've been using every morning. That's why the cap is gone, because it smells so good and I can't resist using it. And the mist on this is so fine. Like, oh, it's such a nice mist. It feels really luxurious and it smells delicious. Let's start the swatches off with the Sparkling Pineapple palette. This one I was super excited for because the colors in this palette are just super unique, and the packaging is so pretty and they're super easy to open, which I love. Okay, so this one smells really delicious. I forgot to mention how yummy these palettes smell. They all smell different, which is really fun. So I am just gonna start swatching away here. It's the exact same color as my skin tone. I apologize for that, but we will move on to the next color. That's so pretty. Okay, next kind of this cocoa brown. And then I'm really excited about this middle shade. Ooh, wow. That one is crazy bright. This one is has a very glittery texture. It's not gritty, but you can definitely feel the glitter. Next, we're gonna go for this Army Green shade, which I'm really excited for. It ends up actually not being very green on the skin. Then this dark brown, kind of a cooler brown, looks really nice. Okay, so there are the last of the swatches for the Sparkling Pineapple eyeshadow palette. Really beautiful shimmers and pretty nice mattes in there. Okay, and next we're gonna swatch the Dazzle Berry shadow palette, which also looks really cute. I love the packaging. So we're gonna start here on the far left and swatch all the way across. Okay, so you can kind of see the shimmer off of that one. It's not a matte, it's a very soft kind of champagne pink shimmer. And then we have this nice kind of nude mauve matte. We're gonna dive into this sparkly pink one. So that is blindingly beautiful. And then next we're gonna do kind of this wine color. That's really pretty. It has almost kind of like copper undertones in it. Next we're gonna do this really beautiful grape purple, which I'm so excited about. The color payoff on that one is crazy good. Then we're gonna go for this dark kind of like charcoal one, but it looks like it has multicolored glitter in it. And last but not least, we're gonna do this purple glitter shade on the end. Wow, that's really beautiful. There's the colors for the Dazzle Berry Palette. So pretty. Okay, next we're gonna swatch the Pineapple Paradise Strobing Highlighter Bronzer Duo. Let's start with the highlighter. It's kind of a warm pinky gold. It's not quite gold, it's not quite light enough to be champagne, but it is really bright and beautiful. And then as for the bronzer, you can see that it's definitely not a shimmer, but it does have that sort of radiance that's going to be really beautiful blended into your skin. Next is the piece that I was the most excited about, which is the Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo in Cherry Bomb. That's so cute. It's so cute. And I don't have to use it as a blush if I don't want to. I can use it as an eyeshadow because look at those colors. So let's swatch this. And this one smells delicious as well. Like I said, they all have a different smell to them. It's so rich and beautiful. Okay, next is the It's Bananas Brightening Setting Powder. I actually got this in the mail a couple days ago and swatched it, and it is so nice and flattering, and it has the cutest little bananas pressed into it. So it has pink undertones and yellow undertones, so it should be pretty universally flattering. You can't see it on my skin really, but it's very smoothing and it has a really beautiful setting effect. Okay, and the last out of the little compacts is the Blush Duo in Apricot in the Act. This one has sort of the peachy mauve blush color that I really like to use, and this gorgeous golden peachy apricot shade that I'm so excited to try. So this highlighter shade is really very pretty, and it looks similar to the last one, but it's actually much lighter. I'll swatch the other one next to it so you can see. Okay, so this is Cherry Bomb and this is Apricot in the Act. So they are very different, and you can see here when they're sitting next to each other how much lighter this one is, and probably much more suitable for my skin tone. Back to this, we're gonna swatch this blush. So this blush is much softer and a little bit less opaque, which I'm okay with. I love a really soft, flushed looking blush on your cheeks. All right, next we're gonna move into the lip glosses. I am not much of a lip gloss girl, but I got two to try. Ruby Ripe and Grin and Bear It, which are kind of opposite colors. So we're gonna start with Ruby Ripe. The packaging on these is super cute as well. This color looked very red online, and in person it's much more of like a magenta pink. So I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. There is a lot of color in that. The glitter in it is actually very smooth. I can't feel the glitter at all. Now I'm going to swatch Grin and Bear It. And these ones have kind of like a generic fruity smell, which I like too. You don't want anything too overpowering on your upper lip all day. So this one, to be honest, has a lot more color in it than I was expecting, but that would completely cover your lip, and that's really beautiful. I could definitely see myself wearing that, and this bright pink kind of magenta red shade is really beautiful as well. So I'm super impressed with both of these. I kind of want more colors now. We'll see. The other good news is it doesn't stain your hand, which is awesome. Next, I have a couple of the liquid eyeshadows, but I only have two colors because I didn't want to go crazy, and these are the ones I was interested in. So I have Guava Glitz and Lemon Zest. So we're going to start with Guava Glitz. The actual gloss itself is clear, and then there's some kind of iridescent glitter in it. This is more of like an eyeshadow topper. So I'm hoping that Lemon Zest will be a little bit more substantial. While they're both really beautiful, they are definitely glittery, like it feels pretty gritty, so that has to be something that you're comfortable with. So still really pretty colors. And then I also got the super adorable new beauty blender from the Tutti Frutti collection. So it's just kind of your standard beauty blender, but it's in this really fun kind of peachy pink, which I love. I have the original hot pink, and then I also have the light pink that Too Faced and Beauty Blender made together a while ago. And then, because I bought so much makeup, they also sent me a little makeup bag, which is actually really adorable and a pretty good size because it opens up on the bottom here and kind of doubles open. And I think it's really adorable. It says Tutti Frutti on one side and it has the fruit. This almost looks like something you would get in a PR package, which I think is really fun. The box is empty. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's been a crazy long time since I last posted and I'm really sorry. Like I said, a lot of stuff has been going on, but hopefully I can get in a routine of posting more often and really kind of working on getting back in the habit of making videos. So here is the collection. This was really fun. I hope you guys liked it. Click below to subscribe to my channel. I will link all of these products below and where you can get them. Let me know if you have any questions or any requests for future videos. And I hope you have a fantastic end of your summer. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Bye.